Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by protecting your data and isolating physical causes. First, back up photos and contacts so nothing is lost if deeper fixes are needed. Once done, remove any case and screen protector and wipe the edges. Trapped debris often mimics glitches. Next, perform a soft reboot by holding power plus volume down for about 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary firmware hangs and often immediately reduces flicker, so you can assess whether the issue persists. You now determine if apps or hardware are at fault. Boot into safe mode to temporarily disable third-party apps. If the glitch stops, an app is causing it. Make sure to check display settings like refresh rate and adaptive brightness, because wrong settings can provoke flicker. If problems persist, reboot into recovery or run your OEM hardware diagnostics to test the screen and GPU. Hardware tests reveal dead pixels, timing issues, or connector failures that software can't fix. You finish by choosing repair or reset based on diagnosis. If safe mode or diagnostics point to software, perform a factory reset after a full backup to eliminate corrupted system files. If hardware is indicated, power down and, if comfortable, reseat the display connector or arrange a professional replacement for damaged panels or flex cables. Finally, if it still glitches, record the exact symptoms, timing, color bands, or touch lag, because that detail speeds repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.